In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation Portal for any reason. Maybe it's not working properly, maybe you just want to resell it or start fresh. So, okay, once you're ready, you're gonna drag down from the top right corner of your portal, just like this, to make a menu appearing. If it doesn't work, try again. Here we go. Once you see this menu, you're gonna click on Settings. And from here you need to go and click on System. The first option is System Software, and then select Reset Options. You'll be signed out and all settings will be deleted. Obviously this is what we want, so you're going to click Reset and it will start right away. The console will power off and will also power on by itself. So at this point, don't touch anything, even if the display is black. Here we go, it came back alive. And usually it takes a minute and some seconds, and after that it will be like a brand new console, so you'll be able to start fresh, setting it up, select the language, do all the stuff you did when you first got it, and you'll be ready to go. So thanks for watching. Now obviously you can wait, we still have to wait a few seconds. And here it is. The console is now factory reset, and we can choose the language and start fresh. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.